Okay, this isn't the first start. It's actually the first start since we dressed out the bike with a new gas tank and new side covers. They did come from India, and it was quite a job to install them. Everything almost fit. Almost. The operative word is almost. But the bike is running. Idle's a little high right now. Let's go over here and check the oil. Got good oil flow. Right now I have minimum oil in the bike. That's on purpose. There. I might turn this idle down a little bit. Let's just turn that down. Better. Sounds pretty good. Sounds really good. I'm going to turn it off now. All right. This bike had sat, I don't even know how long it has sat. It came in with about an inch of accumulated dust and dirt on it. And it's been here a while. All new brakes, all new wheel bearings, everything overhauled. New mufflers. The fiberglass gas tank leaked, so the client bought a nice new metal gas tank and Roadster side covers. So this is an Interstate with Roadster side covers, and it's a good looking bike. So at this point in time, it's ready for a test ride, which I'll do in a little while. But the bike looks good. Sounds good. Started easy. About 3 kicks and it fired right up. Okay, here's the seat and the air cleaner, which I have to put on the bike. I'll do the seat right away when I do a test ride, and then the air cleaner once I come back from that successful test ride. I used black shoe dye polish to clean up the seat, so it looks really good. There was a hole in the side of the seat right here, and I put a patch on it with Gorilla Tape, and it looks great. I mean, you can't even see that patch unless you're looking for it. So the bike looks good, and I'll show you the old tank. It really looks good. Let's walk over here. We're walking, 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 and this is the old tank that came on the bike original. It's a fiberglass tank, and it was leaking pretty badly, and we couldn't find anybody who'd be willing to coat the inside of a fiberglass tank, and with the new gasoline being so caustic to fiberglass, it just wasn't a good idea anyway. So we got rid of the fiberglass tank and bought a nice new metal one, and the deal from India was the new gas tank and new side covers, all painted, and the deal was like $60 more for two side covers rather than keeping the old ones. So it's a Interstate with Roadster side covers, but that's nice combination anyway. As a matter of fact, my bike, which is underneath the cover here, my bike actually has the same, that's the Triumph, sorry. Both of these are mine. My bike, it also has an interstate gas tank with Roadster side covers, and that's a fastback tail section, so we call it an interback. So it's a good combination, the interstate tank and the Roadster side covers. It works. So I'll put the seat on and give it a test ride and see how it goes.